You ready? Get it. Get it, back up. Bring it here. Bring it here. Once you finish over. Bring it here. Drop it. Drop it. Yeah, sit down. Sit.
Oh, well, this is my daughter teaching our dog to fetch in half an hour. Good job. Got a bloodhound for a wife, dog whisperer for a daughter.
Ready? Get it. Get it out.
Oh, we were fetching till we got grass in our mouth.
Get it.
We like grass.
Look at your ball. Look at your ball. You have to get a treat.
Do you know, she's done it about 8 times in a row, and the minute I point a camera, she doesn't do it. The old Hollywood adage, never work with children or animals.
Drop it. Drop it.
Nice.
Yeah. Down.
Clever dog, clever daughter, clever wife, stupid me.
Ready?
Well, there had to be one idiot in the family. Can't all be clever. She's like, I don't care about the ball anymore, just give me the damn treats.
Get your ball.
Oh
Get your ball. Back up. Get your ball. Get your ball. Get your ball. Good. Get your ball.
well, can't ask too much all in one go.